An entrepreneur and a salesperson must know their numbers. They cannot run away from this all important responsibility. Today is Monday in Nigeria, and in other parts of the Western world, early in the morning, review meetings will be done by salespeople or business owner with their salespeople. Sales managers will audit the sales funnels or pipeline of salespeople. A salesperson needs to familiarize with their numbers. They cannot run away from this very important responsibility. They should know where the sales is coming from. They should know what stages in the sales process they are in. They should know what are their chances of making a sale in a deal. If there are blockers, they should be able to identify what those blockers are. If you're a business owner, you need to have a clear pipeline of where the opportunities will be coming from, the ones you've lost, why you've lost, and make adequate plans for it. And for the ones that are strategic to you, you need to have what you call a close plan. A salesperson or a business owner cannot afford to fudge or trifle with numbers. These are one of the things that we test when we try to hire salespeople. During a interview process, we ask salespeople what sales they've done in the past. When we meet salespeople who cannot remember what sales they've done in the past, it actually signifies a red flag. You should form a habit of keeping records of the sales you've done, where you've been successful, what it is that is a source of hindrance from you succeeding as a salesperson. Remember to keep your records. I look forward to talking to you again, and bye for now. Cheers. If you like this post, please remember to like the post, make a comment. I'd like to know what your thoughts are about the issue of tracking your numbers. Bye.